Bill 4-time payroll integration is a seamless way to manage your firm's financials and employee data in one place. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of the integration process. First, you need to set up your payroll account within Bill 4-time, which involves providing basic company information and connecting your payroll provider. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the integration process. Next, you need to configure your payroll settings, including setting up payroll items, pay rates, and deduction codes. This step requires attention to detail to ensure that all payroll-related information is accurate and up to date. After configuring your payroll settings, you can start tracking employee work hours and generating payroll reports. Bill 4-time allows you to easily track employee hours, including regular hours, overtime, and vacation time, making it easier to manage payroll. To ensure a smooth payroll integration process, it is vital to regularly review and update your payroll settings. This includes verifying employee information, updating pay rates, and ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations. Best practices for Bill 4-time payroll integration include setting up automatic payroll updates, using payroll templates to streamline the process, and regularly backing up your payroll data. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your payroll integration is efficient, accurate, and compliant with regulatory requirements. In conclusion, Bill 4-time payroll integration is a powerful tool for managing your firm's financials and employee data. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can streamline your payroll process, reduce errors, and increase productivity.